Okay, we are getting into heating season. You guys haven't heard from me much. I've been extremely busy. But I am working on a 58 MXA, which would be a carrier from 1998. I got the bottom door off. And as soon as I pull the bottom door off, that's what I see. It is rusty back there. So we're going to pull this blower, and I guarantee the heat exchanger is probably in bad shape. So let me do that. I'm filming on my phone, so I don't have a tripod, or I'll just keep it going. So let me get the trap out, the board out, and we will go from there. Okay, got the blower out, you can see. And let's see. Sure enough, right there it's rusted through. And right there. So the original reason was the air conditioning wouldn't start. So I think maybe, we got that blower wheel spins pretty free. So let's see. Put you down a second here. Let's see, there we go. And no reading on my, do I have it on the right? Nope, because I don't have it on the right. There we go. 9.3. So the blower motor should start. So I think we got a bad blower motor. It's leaking oil. So we are going to condemn this furnace because, I mean, there's things wasted. Bottom of it's wasted. You can see down there. Heat exchanger's gone. So I mean, we're gonna condemn it. Well, I'll try to post more videos. It's just been I've been really busy in the new job, and I'm taking on a different role. I'm doing sales too, so it's a little different. But I'm liking it so far. I can't complain. Hopefully I can get more videos going. It's just, you know, I'm working in a different atmosphere, let's put it that way. To where customers are a little more, I'd say, engaged. To where they're with you constantly, so I have a hard time getting video. But like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.